Good morning, students. Today, in business study, we will start business environment. We will cover meaning and features. First of all, meaning of business environment. The term business environment means the sum total of all individuals, institutions, and other forces, specific and general, that are outside the control of a business enterprise but that may affect its performance. Business environment means the environment surrounded around the business. In this environment, general people, organizations, business firms, customers, competitors, suppliers, social, legal, and political forces are involved. All these forces affects the business directly or indirectly. Now, there are two definitions given by Wheeler and Keith Davis. First of all, we will go through Wheeler's definition. Business environment refers to total of all things external to firms and industries that affect the function of organization is called business environment. If we elaborate this definition, we find that business environment includes all the external factors or things which are outside the business and they affect the functioning of business. In this definition, the external forces are talked about. In second definition, business environment is the aggregate of all conditions, events, and influences that surround and affect it. This is given by Keith Davis. It shows the aggregate of all conditions, means conditions may be in terms of different government policies, different acts, law, etc. And events may be festival events or any other event, like in these days we can say COVID-19 situation which is influencing the business environment. So it is clear from both definition that business environment is the totality of all factors that can be external or internal, depends upon various conditions. Now, features of business environment. First of all, business environment includes totality of external forces. Here, external forces means all things or the sum total of all things which affects the business in aggregate nature. Second, specific and general forces. In specific forces, we can include investors, customers, suppliers, employees, and competitors. And in general forces, we can include economic, social, political, legal, and technological forces. Specific forces like customers, suppliers affect the business environment directly, because if customer is happy, then there will be demand of products of business, and if there is proper supply of products, raw material in the form of raw material from suppliers, then business can fulfill its requirement demanded by customers timely. Investors affect the business environment. If business is going on right way, the investors are interested in that business, they are getting timely returns, then they will invest more in that particular business. Next is employees. In specific forces, employees are also important force which affects the business environment and competitors. If employees are satisfied, then business will run smoothly, and if business identify the competitors timely and they defend their strategies, then the business can work properly. In specific forces, government can also be included. Changes of government policies makes it specific, which can be changed by government only. Next feature, interrelatedness. Business environment is include interrelatedness of different factors, parts or elements. For example, in these days, if there is increase in COVID-19 cases, then there is a requirement of different health equipment like ventilator, mask, etc. So it shows the interrelatedness feature of business environment. Business is for long-term purpose. It is not for one day or few months. Business has to go on for many years, and the conditions around business never remains same. So business has its feature as dynamic nature. Next is uncertainty. Uncertainty. Whenever we start our business, it is related with the future, and future is uncertain. We can't predict future happenings, especially when environment changes are taking place too frequently in these days in the form of information technology, fashion and other conditions. So business environment is always uncertain. We have to predict that environment and make the strategies according to that, so that business can fulfill its objectives. Next feature is complexity. Business environment consists of various interrelated and changing conditions which arises due to various sources or various conditions. It is complex in nature. We can't take it simple because it consists of various aspects of social, economic, political, technological and legal forces. Next is relativity. Business environment is relative concept because it differ from one place to other place, one country to other country. For example, the political conditions in India are different from political conditions in China or Pakistan. In the same way, the products which are demanded in India, that may varied in other countries. So this is all about the features of business environment. It includes totality of external forces, specific and general forces, interrelatedness, dynamic in nature, uncertainty, complexity and relativity. Now we will take a case study. There is a case study in front of you. Whenever we go for solution of a case study, first of all, as we know, we must read the question asked. In this case study, the question is asked regarding You are required to identify the features of business environment from above lines. So it is clear from this question that we have to find out the features of business environment. For the solution of this case study, we must know the features of business environment. As these are discussed here, features of business environment includes totality of external forces, specific and general forces, interrelatedness, dynamic nature, certainty, complexity, and relativity. So, while solving this case study, all the features must be in mind. In examination, whenever a concept comes and a question is asked on that particular concept, after reading the question, every related aspect must come in mind so that we can easily solve out the case study. Now we will read the case study. There is a shortage of ventilators and masks due to increase in coronavirus cases. Government of India invited automobiles, companies and other firms to produce ventilators and masks. Bharat Electronics Limited is an automobile company, has received the order for production of 30,000 ventilators in next few months. It started manufacturing of ventilators. After reading the case study, we can underline the various points related to the features. Likewise, I have underlined here, due to increase in coronavirus cases, Government of India invited automobiles, companies and other firms to produce ventilators and masks. And in next paragraph, the company is identified which have changed its business from automobile to production of ventilators. So now we can find out various features in this case study. Those features are, first of all, specific and general forces. This can be highlighted by Government of India invited automobile companies and other firms to produce ventilators and masks. The next features we can identify is dynamic environment. It can be identified from the lines: Bharat Electronics Limited is an automobile company, has received the order for production of 30,000 ventilators. In the next few months, it started manufacturing of ventilators. So up to ventilators, dynamic feature of environment is highlighted. Because Bharat Electronics Limited was an automobile company and now it has started producing ventilators. So it shows the dynamic feature of environment. Now, interrelatedness feature. It can be identified from the line started from: due to increase in coronavirus cases, Government of India invited automobile companies and other firms to produce ventilators and masks. Interrelatedness feature can be identified because government has invited the automobile companies to produce the ventilators due to coronavirus cases increase. So this is all about the above case study. Features highlighted are specific and general forces, dynamic environment, interrelatedness. Thank you.